the first time I laid eyes on you, I knew that we have something very special, something that people usually, we clicked, and no matter how much time we've spent together, it has never been enough. I cherish every moment we have together, and no matter what, I know that I'm gonna be by your side and you're gonna be by mine. There's nothing better in the world that could have happened to me than meeting you. And I hope all our dreams come true. You're my husband forever and always, and I love you very much.
You really complete my life. You make a bad day a great day. I admire your wisdom, your strength, your positive mindset and ambition. You are really developed, and that's great for both of us. I'm very thankful that we made this great step, and I'm so proud. We never give up. We always kept on going. It was a hard way, and we did it, and I'm super proud of that. I want to promise you to always be on your side, to make you laugh every day, and if a good joke doesn't work, I'll try a bad one. I won't take our love for granted and work on it every day, and treat each other with respect, listen, communicate, and to always be myself, but the best version I can be. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you very much, and you're wonderful.